Hi guys, I have so much to do today. I bet you do too. Let's blow it off for a few minutes. Let me show you the greenhouse. Okay, here we are. We are in about the middle of May. Our last project we just had done was this beautiful stone apron. Super pretty, right? So now I can put plants that get too hot on the outside. Plus, it just looks pretty. Okay, I've got both doors open because it has been really hot. And here we are with my pots all planted up. Some things are looking really good. Got beautiful tomatoes, and they're actually starting to produce fruit. My strawberries over there looking phenomenal. I have all sorts of things. Eggplants. I have some type of yellow watermelon that's supposed to do well here in the Pacific Northwest. Here in the corner, this is kind of a test. I'm going to end up putting this up higher, and I got another one. I'll do a video on that. That'll be fun. It is just a little fan to circulate air. And I have that plugged into our battery box that connects out to our solar panel. So that will absolutely be another video because that is a lot of info. This is something I really wanted, a quiet little oasis space. Clearly the animals get on my lounger. So we did that on quite a budget, and ideally I want to have plants growing up all around it. This half of the greenhouse is my planting area. And what I did to make things aesthetically pleasing from a distance was, of course, on a budget here, right? Just buy some black tubs. And I will do a better job organizing later. But for right now, it works fantastic. And it keeps my budget in check. Alrighty, so there it is in a nutshell. The greenhouse. I'll show you guys more later. I gotta go get the dog. I know he's going crazy. We have an owl who's been mousing, and the dog just goes nuts. Crazy. Say bye. Alrighty, so there it is. And I'll come back more and show you guys more fun stuff when I do more changes. Bye. Happy Friday.